I think there you can hear, as we go up through the flutes, the quality of volume and sound coming out of the different flutes. I'm just trying to demonstrate the flute, not the quality of my playing because it's not great, but I'll have plenty of practice over the summer, please God. And that's the Arie de Keyser Flute. It is made of African blackwood. Now, good flutes are made out of African blackwood because you get a resonance out of it that you don't get out of ebony. Ebony is great for pipes, but African blackwood is brilliant for that resonance. Now, I bet, yes, and it's dry enough. I should have oiled it before I played it, but we don't always do that. We don't always get things right or do things right first time. It's no harm now to oil it. It's in there too. Again, as I say, don't put too much on, but do put some cork grease on the joints. Now, the cork grease helps protect the cork from the acids that may be in an oil. Okay, whatever oils you're using, and also help it to slide on nice and neatly like that. That's very handy. Maker's flutes are always expensive, but always worth it. Always have a resale value. The same with the polymer flute. You'll be able to trade that in against a better quality flute, so it always has a trade-in value. Simply because they always last. Nothing, you can't break them. Right, that's his best. What I'm really trying to do here is get you to hear tone in the flute, and that flute has a lovely tone.